Dr. Shahzad, this is Dr. Erfan Asif from Canada. And as you have asked me to talk about COVID-19, well, my 2 cents here are, we know that the world is badly affected by this outbreak of corona. It's wealthy countries and poor and undeveloped countries, third world countries, all face the same question mark. But the people, and we all know that there is no remedy, 100% solution of this virus as yet. And the people with pharmaceutical background know that it takes an estimated 10 to 12 years or sometimes even longer to develop a new drug. And especially when they are working with a plan on developing some drug. But this was just an outbreak. So nobody knew about this virus, and this is a new virus. And however, we know that the American company Gilead Scientific has already declared that their product, which they had developed against the virus of SARS and Ebola a few years back, seems to be working effectively against this virus as well. So they have actually already produced millions of doses, and in some countries, including Pakistan, this drug is now being used, and it has shown some success up to a certain extent. However, it's still not 100%. So what we can do as of now, as everyone knows by now, that the scientists, the experts, and the doctors have sent out their advices to the people how to keep yourself protected and safe from this virus, is that keep yourself distanced from strangers and other people other than your family members as much as possible. So the social distancing for now is the only cure or prevention from this virus. Keep yourself away from crowd, from people outside your family members. Do not go out in the malls. Do not go anywhere unnecessarily. Or if you have to go, keep yourself protected by using the mask and the gloves. Keep washing your hands. And on top of that, when you are at home, make it a habit of drinking a little bit of turmeric powder dissolved in lukewarm water in the morning before the breakfast. And sometimes during the day, make the ginger tea and drink it with honey. And on top of that, eat a piece of fresh garlic clove with yogurt or something, just to strengthen your immunity system. So keep your system strong and protect yourself from the virus by protecting your respiratory system from getting this. So this is the only way that you can keep yourself, or we all can keep ourselves protected and safe. So stay safe, stay at home, keep yourself distanced and from crowd, and let us hope that we soon get the medicine, get the vaccine developed and tested and proven, which may help treat this disease, inshallah. Take care.